Matchkeeper Doubles. Number 1. To set up a doubles game, you will choose Doubles Game by highlighting the doubles game. It's located under the Welcome Back and your name. Then you will press the Game and Player settings, and you will see the default game settings. The game will be usually to 11 points, and the win by is usually 2 points. Under that, you'll find the player's default settings, and you will enter the names of the players on your team and the names of the players on the opposing team or the second team. Once that information has been entered correctly, you will press the Save Changes button at the bottom of the screen. Number 2. Since you've set up the doubles information, you can press the Start Game button at the bottom of the screen. You will see the next screen. It says Waiting for Watch to set up the game. If you're keeping score on your watch, you'll go to your Apple Watch and press the Matchkeeper icon and start the doubles game by pressing Start New Game using the doubles choice on your watch. You'll be asked to verify the game is to 11, win by 2, or you can change that designation before you start the game. If the information is correct, then simply scroll to the bottom of the Apple Watch screen and press Start Game. You will now see 3 green circles with arrows, and on the left you can switch between who the first server is, and on the right side you can switch the other teams for server's choice. Then at the bottom, where it says Team 1 and Team 2, you have a button where you can change which end of the court you're playing from. After you've started the game, these buttons will be hidden. Number 3, you can now use your watch to add points for the highlighted person who would be the server. And when you lose the point, you would use the red button with the X on it to go to the next server. As you win points, you'll notice that the server moves up and down, which represents the left side of the court and the right side of the court, which will help you to know which side of the court you should be on. If you lose the point, it will highlight the server for the other team. You will continue to press the green button with the check mark to give points to the highlighted server, and when the server loses the point, you will press the red button, and it will go to the next server. If that server loses the point, then the serve will go to the other team. He will continue to play the game as usual, and if you make a mistake, simply swipe to the left on the screen and it will remove the point that was given in error. Then you continue to play until the game is over. When the game has reached 11 win by 2, you can press the Play Again button and restart play. Number 4. If you have completed your play, there is a button at the top of the Start Game screen, and you will simply press that and go back to complete using the app. Number 5. When you go back to the setup screen on your iPhone with the doubles game highlighted, you will see the statistics for the games played, games won, games lost, total services, services won, and services lost. This information changes when you choose the singles game and the doubles game at the top.